Hey there, I'm Justin, and in this video, I'm going to talk about how you can optimize videos to help with your local SEO rankings, whether you're trying to get more local customers from your website or you're trying to get more customers from your Google business profile on Google Maps. This video is going to help you. So, the reason why we're spending time focusing on video optimizing for SEO is because videos are a very high authority builder for businesses on Google. So, if you want to rank higher and get more customers and Google respect you, which you need to do to rank higher, then you need to start putting out videos. And one of the reasons why it's so important is because it's difficult. So your competitors are probably not doing it, which means that if you simply do it, you're going to get that leg up over your competitors. So at the end of this video, I'm going to talk about how you can do this 100% automated. Like seriously, like it'll make the video for you automatically and even publish it to your YouTube channel and your Google business profile and write those SEO optimized descriptions. But you can also do all this yourself manually. So stick around to the end. And if you don't want to miss our future tips on how to get more customers from Google, then please subscribe to the channel and hit the like button and ask any questions that come up in the comment section, and I'll be more than happy to answer them. All right. So to start, we're going to look at how we optimize this video for local SEO. And we're using our own brand to do it. And this isn't a public video, so we're just using it as an example. So first of all, what we did here was create a video. But the more important part here are going to be the titles. So, what did you say in the title? And this one's pretty obvious, but we want to rank higher for keywords like local SEO software and Google My Business Profile, which is why these are in here. And then down here in the description, this is where things really matter. So, what you're trying to do when you're making videos, and especially putting them on YouTube, is showing Google that your YouTube channel is connected to your website, which is connected to your Google Business Profile. So, if we look at the different things that we talk about here, we're including our website URL, so merchant.com. So Google can crawl this description and see that they're talking about this business. Giving the credit to the website. Over here, we add our website. So again, our address, again, just showing Google that this is for a local business. And we even give the link to our Google business profile in here, right? So that again, it's going to connect the video to the Google business profile, giving them both authority. And if you think that that videos aren't that important, here you can see that we uploaded this video to our Google business profile, and Google made it the background image for our business. Right, so they took the thumbnail for this video and they made it the background for our entire business. So obviously they care about videos. Right, on the all section, they're even putting all the videos at the top of it before they start showing the images. So it's clearly important to them. And the next thing that we did was gave our phone number. So again, showing that the same phone number that's listed on the Google profile and the website are all tied to the same business, which is giving the authority to this website and Google business profile. And so you might think to yourself, "Oh, this seems like a lot of work. How are we going to make these videos, and how are we going to write these descriptions?" And so that's why I want to show you a screenshot from a tool called Paige that we built. So Paige is an automated Google Business Profile Manager that can also do things like optimize your social medias, including your YouTube channel, by automatically publishing and creating the content. And so this is what it looks like inside Paige when you're on the Automate Videos tab. Basically, you have it create the video, and you tell it, do you want to publish it to your Google profile as well as YouTube? Do you want to approve it? What do you want the starting screen to say and the ending screen? So if you go back to this video, you can see this is the starting screen, says rank on Google Maps. This is the ending one where it says start your $1 trial today. And this is all configured here, right? This is where we put that information in. You can choose the voices that you want to be used. And then it goes and creates the video. You can approve it, you can edit it, and then it'll automatically get published to your online channels that you selected up here. And you can also train it to sound and talk however you want. And so this is a super easy way for you to create videos automatically and make sure that they are SEO optimized for your business. Or for your client's business if you're with a marketing agency. So go ahead and you can go to merchant.com and then go over to solutions and Paige and just start your $1 trial. And that'll actually create you a video and upload it to your online profiles. And it just costs $1 to get a video added to your business that's also SEO optimized. So if you found this helpful, then please let us know in the comments below, or like the video or subscribe so you don't miss our future SEO tips and tricks. Thanks so much for watching.